Hello, this is Yashasvini Razdan reporting for EE Times, and I'm here at Recode Kerala with Dr. Sankalp Singh from Synopsys, who's the university program manager. The EDA stack is heavily dominated by like three major, incumbents across the globe. So, what role? How can we democratize this access to EDA tools? Because we are in an environment where in India chips we are encouraging design of chips. So how do we democratize this access to encourage more chip startups to come and design and whatever the theme of this today's seminar is?
So thank you for this question. I would like to say that we have already democratized it, right? With Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, MIT, putting up a big 10 billion investment upfront to do the entire semiconductor things in India. So one part of it is for academia, which is called as C2S, Chips to Startup Program. So what is happening there is, as we speak today, we have close to 303 organizations, including 13 startups which were incubated with some academic institutions, getting access to the EDA. And it is not just one vendor; all the EDA vendors are available. Chip in Center Bangalore is the nodal agency. So if any university wants to get access, there is a c2s.gov.in. Just go there, fill the form. You need to submit a one-page requirement, which is not complex anymore. You just need to fill that. It will be approved, and then you will get access. Coming to startups, right? So there is a scheme by again MIT, which is called as DLI, Design Link Incentive Scheme. So right now we have close to 80 plus startups which are getting EDA access. So EDA is taken care by MIT for all the academic institutions and startups. So I will say this is a way that it is being democratized for India, and this is a very good initiative. So we are looking forward for onboarding more people into this program.
With AI assisted design now emerging as the new focus, you spoke briefly about it as well. So, how do startups get access to these verification tools? Which are considering they don't have like proper verification teams and all of that. So how does it impact their EDA design process?
Okay. So I'll put it from Synopsys point of view, but this is applicable to other EDA vendors as well. Everyone do have a .ai as an offering. Right? So if you put from Synopsys,
Yes.
we have a verification space optimization .ai. We have a design space optimization. We have a test space optimization, right? So all the tools are now working in tandem with AI, right? And like I mentioned in my talk about the pervasive intelligence, right, where the hyperconvergence of all the domains of chip design is coming together, and that AI stack is building up. So we have design verification, implementation, test, analog mixed signal, everything already having the AI fusion going on. Like I mentioned in my talk, we need to make sure that be it a startup who is looking for verification engineers and they may not have that right set of folks, they are looking to get access to AI solutions. It means it is already available. They just need to reach out.
Could companies like Synopsys play a stronger role in beyond the tool licensing in India's design led aspirations, encouraging design aspirations?
Right. So we have been working with different state governments. We have been working with central government. As one part of it is the policy making. But if we have to support the startups incubation setup, what is coming up, we are helping them. So if you see a lot of successful Indian startups which have propped up in last 4 5 years, maximum of them who are part of DLI are heavily using the Synopsys solution. So we have been enabling them not just with the EDA side of it, but with technical support required, or anything which can go as a thing for a market. we are all there. Right? So we have been supporting all the startups.
Well, thanks a lot for enlightening our audiences about Synopsys engagements in India. Thank you so much.
Thank you.